Hi everyone, I'm in Galway city. It has a population of 70,000. It has a very good university. It's a cultural city of Ireland. Heading to Connemara, which is a part of County Galway. It's stunningly beautiful. It took me 2.5 hours from Dublin to Galway, and I'll take N59 from here to Connemara, which will take, it depends on where you're going, but it takes normally 1.5 hours. Want to have a cup of coffee and some snack. After a couple of miles, I'll take a right from Mancross on R336. Instead of going straight to Clifden, I'll go around. After a few miles on N59 towards Clifden from Leenaun, I took a right on Connemara Loop, it's called as well, and there was a signboard of Tully Cross. There's a lovely beach down there, Lettergash beach. I took the same Connemara loop road from the Lettergash beach and got into the Clifden Eco camping site. It's beautiful here, private beach and a huge camping site. It's 2 a.m. and I have to be up around 6 or 7 in the morning. It's so cold. I forgot my blanket actually. Very unpredictable. It rains literally in seconds. You can't imagine. Good morning everyone, I'm in Clifden Town Centre and heading to Kylemore Abbey. It's on N59. Took a right turn from N59 because wanted to take few shots on other side of the lake. So let's see.